Hello, my name is Matthias and I welcome you from the head office of leather repair company Belgium. Yes, that's right. I am the main importer and distributor for the leather repair company here in Belgium, located in Tienen. Besides LRC, we also resell CarPro, Soft 99 and Maguire's products. But let me talk to you guys about the leather repair training. So a couple of months ago, I've done the training along with Richard. I was super excited to do it because I've seen the things you can do. I was thoroughly impressed by it. I have a great deal of confidence in the products and in the training I have received from Richard. And if there is ever anything, I have a question, for instance, about one of his products, how to use them, the leather identification, anything like that, I just have to ask. I can ask Richard himself because he's a very friendly guy and he just hands out his personal information to everyone. Or you can ask questions in a professional group called Facebook Workplace, which is full of professional people which have followed the 2-day, 3-day, 4-day training courses and are always super helpful, as well as his staff members will be on that group. And the same applies to them. Super helpful, very kind people. So if you ever plan on taking a course in leather repair, just go ahead and do it. It's worth a shot. It's an amazing technique and an amazing opportunity to make a living. So thank you, Richard, for giving me the opportunity of taking the course with you guys, and as well as becoming the importer for LRC Belgium. So this little shop you see here was partly due thanks to the opportunity I was handed to, thanks to Richard. So if anyone in Europe is still looking for a business opportunity besides France, Belgium, Holland or Germany, we're still looking for people. So hit Richard up, talk to him about the opportunities, the pricing and everything like that. And I hope you become a part of the LRC family.